Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my July 2025's Paper Pumpkin alternative video number 26, everybody. Yes! So I think we're going to hit 28, 29, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get started. This kit is called Sweeter With You. It's a little different. You're going to make 8 cards with 8 envelopes. If you do the kit as it is designed, usually you get 9 cards and 9 envelopes. But with this one, you get 4 designs and usually you only get 3. So you could have made 2, 2, 2, and 2 with all the same envelopes. On the back, as always, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. A visual of everything in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. This is a misprint, as it says contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes, and it only contains supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. This one down here would, of course, lead you to this set of 9 dies called the Circle of Season dies, and they will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin kit. Now, September's kit does coordinate with a suite of products called Autumn Toile, and I have shown you what I purchased from the suite. I'm not going to show you in this one because we're just going to get into this card. So the stamps for this one are hello friend, life is sweeter with you, you're the best, love you lots, thank you, the 2 flowers and the strawberry leaf and the strawberry. So let's get started, shall we? So I have it all in this little envelope, and we're using the envelope as an envelope. Yes, because my new paper pumpkin has arrived. I was looking to see if it's on the, oh, here it is. Ta-da, ta-da! And see, I have not even opened it. Nope, and I'm not going to till I'm all done. Yep, it's staying sealed. I know, and it's driving me bonkers because I really would like to take a nice look at it, but I'm not going to. My Aunt Carol opened hers and I didn't even take a peek. Of course I dropped it. I wasn't there. I wasn't there. So I'm not taking a peek. So this is my envelope as an envelope, right? I have a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Guys, I am telling you, I could have taken this kit further, but no, not with football season, right? And the new kit has arrived. So we're using half of a card base. I've got things paper clipped onto things. So this is half of a card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5. That's going to be as it is. We're using that scallop piece of ephemera vellum as it is. I just took a large dot embossing folder that I had in my stash, and I just embossed it. So any embossing folder of your choosing that you have in your stash, emboss it. Just give it a little love, right? So I'm using my last great big pink strawberry, a large regular strawberry, and this little pink sentiment strip from the kit. Quite a bit from this kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces from this kit. So this is not going to take any time at all. So we are going to glue the card base, the half a card base, layer number 1, to our card base. That's going to be simple enough, right? Now, I don't have any extra flowers, and I'm not die cutting any. I have an extra one, but I'm using it on another card, so we're not using one for this. Now, I do want my 2 strawberries just as they are, like this, so I'm going to just go ahead and add some glue here. And go ahead and glue that one to that one, right? Because I've got to put it on here before I put the vellum on. The vellum might be a little tricky. I'm thinking about adding some glue dots. Where did they go? The large ones in some strategic places, because they might look like filled in dots. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to do for this vellum. And I turned that over. That is not going to be very helpful. So we're going to try to get it in the center. It just, hopefully, if I'm thinking about what it's going to look like. I'm hoping it's just going to look like the dot is. We'll have to see if this will do what I think it's going to do. We're going to put this one. We're going to take it off and take a look if it's going to be too noticeable. Well, we're going to stick with it. We're just going to use the 4 in the corners because I think it's going to be noticeable no matter what, but I do want the vellum to be stuck down. I don't go anywhere. We're just going to put our vellum. It may not be too bad. Oh no, that is not bad at all. Not bad. So we have our vellum stuck down. Vellum is playing nice today. Thank you, Vellum, for being so understanding. Our strawberry is just going to go there. And we are going to go ahead and use some tear tape to, excuse my tea. Where's the tear tape? Pinch there. My hubby is working on my daughter's car again. He just did the brakes on my car, and she called when she came home. She was like, Dad, my brakes, it sounds bad. My brakes. And he's like, oh, no. She's like, yeah, Dad, brakes, brake job. Poor man. He's like, you two girls. Poor man. So we're going to use You're the Best. Now I want to, that just didn't look right. So if you lay it down and then pick it up, you're much more likely to get it straight. So as this is pink, it should be easier to stamp. And we're going to get one chance because this is my last pink. I have a couple of blue ones, which are going to be on the other 2 cards here. Not last 2 because I have a piece of the green cardstock, which I want to do a Christmas card with. Why would you do Christmas? Because I can, and I have Christmas on the brain. Yes, I really do. So we're going to keep that unclosed, or rather open. And look at this. You're the best. That's how simple this is. So do we want it up here? I'm just looking for the best placement. I kind of like it right there. And we're just going to use some tear tape on it. Really quick, simple little card. All right, now we're going to stamp the inside of the card, hopefully. And we are going to stamp, oops, thank you. Where's the thank you? That's what I want to stamp. Hold on. I'm looking for the other one. No, not lots of love. We don't want that. We just want thank you. And I guess I'm going to have to get, there we go. Thank you. That's sweet, simple. Now for this part, we need to do a strawberry to tie it all in, right? So we're going to do our strawberry. Well, our strawberry looks like it didn't develop all the way. And we're going to go with Granny Apple Green for our greenery to go with the flappy part. That just didn't look like it was inked up all the way. Ta-da! That's it, everybody. Quick, simple, easy little alternative. And now I can do another one. I don't know now that I was thinking about it, I'm not sure if I'm going to double up on these videos this week. I have a lot going. So I'm gonna do my videos and then think about it. So we'll have to wait and see. But we are gonna definitely get some stickily glitter glue on this thing, because it's gonna make it all much, much, much better, right? Especially on the big strawberry. It just needs some stickily glitter glue to make it more delicious looking. So sweet. That's it. And I don't want too much on there. I want this short and sweet. And then I'm going to go check on my husband, see if he needs me to help him bleed the brakes on that car of hers. And then I'm going to get back to crafting again. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.